this video I'll explain you how you can use one knob on your Midi device to control any parameter you click on. First you'll need to go to Logic's Preferences and open Automation Settings. Here you can enable Automation Quick Access and click Learn. I have a Midi keyboard with 4 knobs, so I can pick one I would like to use and slowly move it through its entire range. Then press Done. You can edit your assignments if needed below. Now I close this window and enable one more feature before I can start using it. In Mix you can see that your quick access is enabled. Below you would also need to activate Auto Select Parameter in Read mode, so Logic can switch between selected parameters in Read mode. Now let's test it. Press A to activate automation and pick any parameter. Here you can see that I control fader with my Midi controller. Now I can click on Pan knob and control that with the same knob. This feature is very useful, especially if you're tired of moving your pointer around, and makes it easy to dial any value with just one encoder. Now let's pick another plugin and move the knob all the way to the left. Next choose another knob, and as you can see nothing is happening. This is because the physical knob has to hit the same value as the digital one before it starts responding. This will allow you to make sure you don't jump to a new value as soon as you choose a new parameter. I think with endless encoders it doesn't work the same way and it will just pick it up straight away. Let me know in the comments if that's the case. If you want to disable quick access, you can place toggle button on your toolbar so you can use the knob to do other tasks if needed. One thing to be aware of is that in order for this auto assign feature to work, you have to have your automation enabled. Otherwise, it won't switch between parameters you click on.